Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. We're going to be doing a shop with me style of video, and we're going to be shopping my Sephora loves list to put together a full face of makeup, and I'm going to come back and do a full face of first impressions. I have some things that have been on my loves list for a bit, and I know I have my makeup rehab series that I am doing, which I'm still doing, but I kind of want to just buy a full face, have fun with it, and test it out on camera for you guys. So I'm gonna build a cart today from my loves list, giving a few different options in each category of makeup, and then I want you guys to weigh in the comments below, and I will officially make my purchase from my cart a week from when this video goes live. So I'll get your guys' feedback on things that you want to see me test most, and those will be the items that I purchased, and then I will come on to do a full face of testing all of the products that I purchased. So I'm very excited about this video, and I'm also super excited because this video is in partnership with GoCashBack. So I'll be talking to you guys a little bit more about GoCashBack, which is an online cashback service that I use every time I shop online. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned. First, if you haven't yet to subscribe to my channel and you like project planning content or just chit-chatting about makeup, I'd love if you consider subscribing before moving on. And other than that, let's jump into the video. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is GoCashBack.com. I'm so excited to be working with GoCashBack because they are the fastest growing online cashback website, allowing their members to get up to 40% cash back at their favorite stores. You guys, you literally can't beat that. You already know I love to shop at Sephora and Ulta, and it's always a nice little surprise when we get cash back as we're shopping. But GoCashBack has so many other merchants that they partner with, including Skin Store, Adidas, Nike. They even have a feature where you can shop by category so that you can better decide where you want to shop and which retailers you're going to get the highest level of cash back at. I also love that they do partner with travel websites such as Expedia and Hotels.com. Nothing beats getting cash back when you are booking those trips. GoCashBack also offers higher cashback rates for popular merchants, and they also offer more cashback withdrawal options, including PayPal, check, gift card, and HelloPay. You can download the GoCashBack's Google extension as well to never miss earning cashback when you shop online. Unlike many other cashback extensions, this one automatically activates cashback earnings for you even when you don't even realize it. GoCashBack are now offering offline cashback for new users if you download the GoCashBack app. All you have to do to start earning cashback is sign up through the link in my description box down below, enter the website you want to shop from, and start earning your cashback now. So go get cashback now. GoCashBack every day. All right, you guys, I have the Sephora app pulled up, and for the most part, I am just going to be shopping through my loves list. I don't really want to just shop through the site and willy-nilly choose things, but I do want to just give a quick browse through. Oh, and I forgot I should scoot over so I can post my screen share right here. I just want to browse quickly through the new makeup just to make sure there's not anything I'm missing. I will say I haven't been super excited about all of the new makeup releases, and there's a few categories in today's video you guys will find. I hope I saved them in my loves list. I might have to actually search them. There's a couple old products that I'm interested in trying, specifically in the bronzer categories where I'm really thinking of these products. Ooh, this is pretty. The Summer I Turned Pretty limited edition. I love the makeup bag. I definitely don't need that. I almost put that in the cart. I am really interested in the Kayali new fragrances, but I purchased so many new fragrances. This is not about me purchasing fragrances. Melt Cosmetics has their new sheer finishing powder. I have a powder in mind that I really like. I'm gonna purchase no matter what. I'm not gonna give options for the powder. I already know what powder I'm gonna include, and I still have the Lawless powder that I need to get to testing out. I will say the other category that I don't plan to purchase anything from, at least I don't think, is palettes. I have so many palettes right now that I'm still haven't even gotten to test. So I'm not gonna purchase a new palette, even though I still have my eye on the ABH Cosmo palette. I need to test the palettes I have sitting waiting to be tested before I purchase another. I am going to, oh no, that's a, I am really interested in the Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss. There's a couple lip glosses that came out, but this is the matte lip blur. Okay, I'm not seeing like anything straight out the gate. Some of these things I know I already have in my loves list. Ooh, what is this from Westman Atelier? The liquid super loaded. Oh, this kind of reminds me of like possibly the Drunk Elephant Debronzy drops. Why am I interested in this? I definitely don't need it. Okay. Charlotte Tilbury lip. Where is what I want? Is it the, no. Is the lip luster? Is it? Is it? I think it might be. Yeah? Okay. Yes, okay. There was, like, for some reason I'm really wanting this really like sparkly lip, even though I'm wondering if it's like really gritty and I'm gonna hate it. Ooh, that looks pretty too. What shade do I want? What shade? Okay, that's super pretty. Ooh, I really like this one. But do I want Blondie, which is a nudie shimmer? Let's see. Is it gonna scroll for me? Ooh, okay. Adding that to cart. Okay, so we have a lip option. Okay, now I'm officially clicking into my loves list, and I might kind of sort through some of this as we go and take things out. Some of the top things that I saved, I was preparing for this video. So I did save this Kulfi long lasting cream blush. I just felt like this shade in the shade Garland Glow, which is this coral, I thought it looked so pretty. And I haven't tried anything from Kulfi. I don't know if they're a new brand in general or just new to Sephora. I thought about including their cream eyeshadows, but I just do not reach for cream eyeshadow, so I don't want to bring a product into my collection just for the sake of the video that I know I won't get a ton of use out of. The Givenchy Prism Libre powder in the mini size is the powder that I'm going to for sure be getting for my powder. I want the Vanilla Rose shade, but they are sold out, so I'm just going to go with the standard, the Satin Blanc for fair to light skin tones. I really do want this Benefit brow set, but I don't want to go crazy. So I don't think I'm going to purchase any new brows. I can just use what I already have for brows. But I am super interested in this Bare Minerals Gen Nude Highlighting Blush. I saved mine in the shade Pink Shimmer. And it's described as a highlighting blush, but I feel like this is more of like an actual just highlighter. Like I wouldn't use this as a blush. So we're counting this in the highlight category when you guys are like giving your feedback for what you want me to choose for each makeup category. I'm interested in getting the Glossier Boy Brow again. That's why it's on my loves list, but I don't need it right now. The NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush in the shade Brazen is so beautiful. I have swatched this in store and I really liked the swatch. It's a really beautiful coral. So I'm gonna add that. The Summer Fridays Lip Butter Balm I am interested in, but I feel like this is something I can purchase during the next Sephora VIB sale. I can try and get through a couple other balms first. There's that ABH Cosmo palette. Not currently feeling the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Serum Skin Tint Foundation, but these two I am interested in. So we have the Natasha Denona High Glam Brightening and Hydrating Concealer, which I'm very interested in. And then also the Give by Gwen Stefani Cheek My Glow Multi-Dimensional Highlighting, blah, blah, blah. Such a long name. I do really want this product. I'm hoping you guys choose this for the highlight secretly. This is something that like I've been wanting to purchase for a bit now. I am going to, for a foundation option, I am going to put in the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I have been wanting to try the reformulated version. I feel like this would be right up my alley in terms of like what I'm looking for out of my foundations these days. So I am going to include that. I am going to toss in, I'm going to toss in the Dior Rosy Glow Blush in Cherry. I definitely like don't need this, but part of me like really does, I'm just like curious about the hype. I have not tried a Dior Rosy Glow blush, so that I'm interested in. Then we have the Kosas Satin Lipstick in the shade is Sugar High. I will toss this in as a lip option. It is this really beautiful like warmer brown nude, although warm brown doesn't always work the best for me, and I have so many other brown nudes. Should I choose Beach House, like this vibrant pink? I probably wouldn't wear it that much. I love Kosas as a brand, so I'm just like very interested in really anything. Ooh, I kind of like this shade. Turned On, a warmish pinkish brown. I don't feel like I have a ton like that. That's also pretty. Okay, I'm gonna add this as a lip option, but secretly I'm hoping that more people want me to try the Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss. Like, just throwing it out there. I am interested in trying the House Labs. Why is the name for everything so long these days? Like, literally, can we just keep it simple? But I have been thinking about the House Labs foundation for a while, so I'm gonna toss this in the bag. I feel like I've heard so many great things about this foundation, and I've really been wanting to try this for myself. I'm also gonna toss in the Merit lip oil. This is the one that's like pH color changing. I don't actually like the Merit lip oil formula all that much, but I saw Lauren from Lauren May Beauty put this shade specifically on her lips, and I thought it was so pretty, and I've wanted it ever since. I'm also gonna add the Kosas Wet Stick Moisturizing Shiny Sheer Lipstick in the shade Skinny Dip to the cart. I'll show you guys what the shade looks like. It's this really beautiful, like cool baby pink. I definitely want this more than the other Kosas lip product. I'll probably end up actually just taking the other lip product out of my cart because I'm more interested in this one. But that's another lip option. We will recap all of these at the end, you guys. But I'm also interested in trying the Armani Beauty Luminous Silk foundation again. I didn't love it in the past, but I feel like I would love it now. So I am interested in potentially giving that a try. I have the Lawless Make Me Talc Free Velvet Blush in Juicy Watermelon. I do love the Lawless blush formula, and I just thought this was like so trendy and perfect for right now. But I also have been more into like an orange or coral. Today I have on Persona Bubble, which is not like a bright juicy watermelon, but it is like a bright pink. I don't know that I'm feeling, I don't know that I feel pink. I feel like pink blush I am least likely to reach for unless I'm like in this trendy moment. So I don't actually think I'm gonna add that one to cart. In fact, I actually think I'm gonna remove that from my loves list. Then we have more fragrance samples. I am gonna add the Rare Beauty Positive Light highlighter just because so many people have raved about this, but secretly I'm hoping you guys choose the Gwen Stefani one. But hey, I mean, I've heard nothing but good things about the Rare Beauty one, so. I am also interested in trying the Lawless Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Tinted Lip Balm, but not right now. Not right now. I'm not feeling a balm right now. I actually don't think I'm interested in the Huda Beauty Blush Cream and Cheek Lip Stain anymore. Like, I'm more interested in the NARS, so we're just gonna take that out. We've got more fragrance samples, we've got hair samples, and then here we have the other concealer I wanted to add, which is the Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Face and Under Eye Concealer. I feel like I've heard nothing but good things about this concealer, so you guys will have to let me know between this and the Natasha Denona, which one do you think I should be trying? And then I feel like all this stuff for the most part is like old news. Oh yeah, the bronzers. I don't think I have them saved in here. But the Benefit Hoola bronzer, I'm interested in trying again. I have used up a full Benefit mini in the past, and I feel like I've been watching old videos and I'm like, I kind of like my bronzer, and usually it was the Benefit Hoola bronzer. So a part of me wants to give this a go again. So I'm gonna add that to basket. And then the other bronzer that I was interested in potentially picking up, I've also owned this in the past in a full size, and I ended up decluttering this. And I feel like I decluttered it because one, I was not into as glowy of a cheek back then, but also I feel like I knew I could resell that specific bronzer on Poshmark or whatever. So I felt like I just like decluttered it kind of to declutter, and this is a product I'm like, ooh, that's like a declutter regret. Like I wish I could go back and have this back. So I am going to toss this in as an option as well, and I'm just gonna do the mini for this as well. This is the Hourglass Luminous Bronze Light Bronzer. Okay, do we have then? I'm gonna go to my cart and see if we have at least a couple options in most categories. So starting with lips, we know we have plenty in the lip category. I'm gonna leave in both shades for the Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss. I'm gonna leave in the sparkly one as well as the one that doesn't have like the sparkly glitter. And then other lip options, we have, I'm gonna take out the Kosas Weightless lipsticks just because I'm not super interested in those, but we also have the Kosas Wet Stick Moisturizing Lipstick or the Merit Lip Oil. So you guys will have to let me know which lip product should I get. So then for powder, we're just going with a Givenchy. But then let's chat about foundation. I have the Dior Backstage. We also have the House Labs. We have the Armani Beauty. And then I forgot I also wanted to add the Guerlain Healthy Glow Foundation, which I don't know what shade. We're just gonna go with this. This is something I have also been interested in. So there are 4 options for foundation. You guys will have to let a girl know what you're thinking there. For concealer, again, we have the Natasha Denona High Glam Brightening and Hydrating Concealer, or we have the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Under Eye Concealer. For bronzer, we have the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer or the Hourglass Bronzer. For blush, we have a powder blush option as the Dior Rosy Glow Blush, or we have the option for the NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush, as well as the Kulfi Moment Long Lasting. Ooh, I also was thinking about the Say, hold on, the Say Glowy Blushes. Let's see. And I really want the Peach Glow one, but I have also the Say liquid blush in the shade Dewy. So I feel like that's just too similar. What was the one I was thinking about? Pink Glow, which is a cool pink. Because I don't feel like I have anything like this. I feel like this could work as a highlight, but I could also use this as like a cooler, glowy blush in the winter time. That was kind of like where my thought was. So I'm gonna add that as an option as well. So we'll have 4 options for blush. Then we have highlighter. We have the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Highlighting Blush, the Give by Gwen Stefani Cheek My Glow Multi-Dimensional Highlight, or we have the Rare Beauty Positive Light Silky Touch Highlighter. And I think that is everything that I'm gonna include as options. I'm not gonna do like a setting spray, not gonna do like a mascara. I have plenty of things like that. Like I said, I have plenty of palettes, but I wanted to just do like a mostly new full face of products. So I cannot wait to get your guys' feedback on which products you would love to see me use, which products you are hoping that I purchase, and I'm super excited to come back and do a full face with you guys. But that is going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to watch. You guys know when I place my order, I will be using GoCashBack to ensure that I get cash back with my purchase. Don't forget to check out the link in my description box down below. You can get an $8 bonus if you sign up through that link, and let me know what are your favorite merchants to shop through GoCashBack. I would love to hear from you guys in the comments below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for sticking around to watch today's video and for supporting my channel as you guys always do. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.